Alright, Ryan with Arcade Sales here. We've got a pallet of untested electronics returns, and I'm going to cut open a couple of boxes untouched from the retailer just to show some condition. We do have a manifest. I'm going to try and do this all left-handed so I can hold the phone. What do we got here? Laptop. Copy. Core Innovations. Is that a tablet or a small monitor? Another laptop. HP 14-inch notebook. This is another notebook, HP. Chromebook. DVD tablet. Android tablet. Supersonic. Lenovo. What is this one? Okay, and we'll open another box in another video. Reach out for details. We've got a manifest, FOB, Minnesota.